Open her egg now. Put it on the thing, yeah, put it all in the bowl. Oh, what about this one? Take all the wrapper off.
Open.
There you go. Now I'm gonna eat this one. Oh.
Okay. Papa?
Okay, now what is that? What kind of toy did you get? Okay, some instructions. Ooh, we have. Maybe mommy will help you.
What's that?
Let's see.
What kind of toy?
Let's find out. Magic Kinder is a flyer. Oh, these are stickers. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, turn it over, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 to collect. 8 stickers. And they're of wildlife. Oh, look at this one. This tiger has some fuzzy on it. See it?
No, look here off.
And this birdie has fuzzy too. You want to put them on? You got the tiger? All right. Can you get the back off the sticker? Need a little
Do
help?
it.
Okay. You can eat the chocolate.
Mm.
Do you like the Kinder Egg chocolate? Is it your favorite? Wow, this is really difficult. Got it. Okay, so there's the. I'm gonna put it on the lion, or the tiger. Put it there. Good girl. Okay, wanna do another one?
Yeah.
Okay, well we've got a dingo. And I think the dingoes are down under, right there. That looks like a puppy. Put it on there? Okay, I'll do it. Okay, and then, what do we have here? It's an eagle. And it's a little bumpy. Feel him. Is it bumpy? You happy with your chocolate? And put it with the eagle. Okay. Now we've got another bird. And he's a little fuzzy. Feel him. I think he's an ostrich. Okay. Put him in the ostrich spot. There's little statistics that tells what it is too. It tells you how tall it is and what it eats. Like this eagle, he eats meat. And this ostrich eats vegetables. And the dingo eats meat. And there's one more down here. But let's see, we've got a lion. Do we have a lion? Oh, there it is. And lion's a meat eater. Tells you how heavy he is too. Lions are about 250 kilograms. That's heavy. It's really heavy. What does this look like?
Elephant.
Looks like a cow? Or is it a buffalo?
No. Just one. Papa snake.
Oh, look at this. It's a snake.
Snake.
Yep, feel it. Give him a little texture too. You don't care about that right now. Okay. I will open him up and put him with the others. And he eats meat too. So you got 4 on this side.
We'll take it off.
Okay, but wait, we've got one more. Look, one more. What are we looking for? Jaguar. Or is it a black leopard? He's got some spots. See it?
Yeah. Watch out.
Mhm.
There.
All right. We'll put it there. There we go. So now we've got all 4 on this side. The lions, the tiger, the jaguar, buffalo. And then we've got an eagle, an ostrich, a dingo, and a snake. I think that side's Australia. And this is from Nuttoons, and this side is Discovery Express.